Hey Falcons, I hope you're doing well and I hope you're crushing this unit summative. I just wanted to quickly review the rubric with you. And so there are four different sections of the rubric. They are whether or not you attempted the question, whether you had a claim with the question, how you do with your evidence, and whether or not you use the vocab. Okay, so for attempted up here on the top, if you attempted the Flipgrid at all, you automatically get 1 point. If you did not attempt the Flipgrid, you get 0 points for this category. If you made the correct claim, you get 2 points. If you didn't make the correct claim, but you still made a claim, you get 1 point. And then if you didn't make a claim at all, you get 0 points for this category. For evidence, if the claim is backed up with two pieces of evidence, then you get 2 points for this criteria. If the claim is backed up with one piece of evidence, then you get 1 point for this criteria. And if you didn't back your claim up with any evidence, then you receive 0 points for this criteria. And down here at the bottom, if you used all of the required vocabulary words from the question, you will get 4 points for the vocab criteria. If you used three of the required vocabulary words, you'll get 3 points. If you use two of the required vocabulary words, you'll get 2 points. If you use one of the vocabulary words, you get 1 point. And then if you didn't use any of the required vocabulary words, you get 0 points. With a little bit of quick math here, you can see that you will be graded out of 9 points for this question. So 4 from the vocab, 2 from the evidence, 2 from the claim, and 1 from whether or not you attempted. Good luck, Falcons. I hope you're having a wonderful day.